So again, yung isang teammate namin naalis na siya. Unfortunately, she already rendered 30 days, I think, last week. And unfortunately, if you're one of the people who's leaving already because of the culture, or you think there's no growth, there's no support, or wala silang pakialam sa'yo, then it's about time for you to talk to your supervisor. But make sure na you just don't quit unless may lilipatan ka. Okay? If you have your own family, you need some funds to pay your bills and make sure you can transition well dun sa bago mong trabaho para while waiting for your new pay, 'di ba? So do not quit yet. Talk to your supervisor first. Okay?